Sauce is 85. Spaghetti and mock duck with or without tomato sauce. This is a serving suggestion for pasta with sauce. The mock duck, fried with the onions, has a chewy, meaty texture and works with the spaghetti and sauce. If you like a pasta, butter and onion kind of taste, the mock duck and spaghetti stirred together without the tomato sauce works well also. Cooked spaghetti serious tomato sauce, CP.84, or other tomato sauce. Use a store-bought sauce if you want, I won't tell. 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 medium onions, chopped 1 sm wheat gluten, mock duck, salt and pepper to taste. Fry the onions in the olive oil until translucent, then add the mock duck, season to taste and sauté for a couple of minutes. Cook the spaghetti according to package directions, and toss with a little bit of olive oil or butter while still very hot. Serve the spaghetti topped with the mock duck and onions with a tomato sauce added, or have the pasta with sauce with the mock duck on the side. Variation: instead of mock duck, substitute a package of tempeh, steamed and cut into 1/2 inch chunks. The cooked tempeh could also be mixed into the sauce.